Welcome back, gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of gardening and providing a comprehensive guide for beginners on how to start their own garden. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a small balcony, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the location. Find a spot that receives ample sunlight, preferably 6 to 8 hours a day. It's essential for the success of your plants. Step 1. Assessing the soil. Now, let's assess your soil. Take a sample and perform a simple soil test. You can find inexpensive testing kits at your local garden center. Understanding your soil's pH level and composition will help you determine the amendments needed. Step 2. Clearing and preparing the area. Once you've chosen your location and tested the soil, it's time to clear the area. Remove any weeds, rocks, or debris that might hinder your plant's growth. Then, loosen the soil using a garden fork or a tiller. This will improve drainage and root penetration. Step 3. Adding organic matter. Enhancing your soil with organic matter is crucial for its fertility and structure. Mix in compost, well-rotted manure, or leaf mulch to enrich the soil. This will provide essential nutrients for your plants. Step 4. Choosing the right plants. Now comes the fun part, choosing the plants for your garden. Consider your climate, sunlight exposure, and the time you can dedicate to maintenance. Start with easy-to-grow plants like herbs, tomatoes, and lettuce. They're great for beginners and offer a rewarding experience. Step 5. Planting. Time to get your hands dirty. Dig holes according to the plant's size and spacing requirements. Gently remove the plant from its container and loosen the roots before placing it in the hole. Fill the hole with soil, pat it down gently, and water thoroughly. Step 6. Watering and maintenance. Adequate watering is vital for your plant's health. Water deeply and evenly, ensuring the roots receive moisture. Remember, overwatering can be harmful too. Regularly check the moisture level by inserting your finger into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Additionally, keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Inspect your plants regularly and take appropriate measures to control any issues. And don't forget to provide support for climbing plants like tomatoes or beans. Step 7. Harvesting. Finally, the reward of all your hard work, harvesting. Harvest your produce when it reaches its peak ripeness. Different plants have different indicators, like color or firmness. Enjoy the fruits, or vegetables, of your labor. Congratulations on starting your own garden. Remember, gardening is a continuous learning experience, so don't be afraid to experiment and ask questions. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next time.